I'm basically from Bangalore.
Bangalore. Okay. So what's the purpose you came to Hyderabad?
We just wanted to meet our friends and go.
Okay, you wanna meet your friends. Okay, where do your friends live in Hyderabad?
They live near Amirpet.
Near Amirpet.
Yeah.
No. So how Bangalore is different from Hyderabad?
I think different in the sense Hyderabad is more neat and clean when compared to Bangalore.
Okay.
Okay. Of course, I am living in the center of the city of Bangalore.
Okay.
Yeah.
So why do you say that is Hyderabad is more developed or Bangalore is more developed?
I think both are same only.
Both are same.
Both are same only.
Done. So what do you say that either Hyderabad is expensive or Bangalore is expensive?
Bangalore will be expensive.
Expensive. So any example?
See, Jet Rapido autos.
Okay.
There you have to book an auto, then it is closed. Again you have to book an auto.
Yeah.
Now I went to Jubilee Hills to the temple. I told him you have to drop at Amirpet Metro.
Okay.
He said, okay, the same auto only. Whatever the charges is there, that we have paid.
Okay.
He was quite good enough and very kind person.
10%.
Kind person.
No.
Yeah.
Okay. So actually, where is your proper?
Birth is Chennai.
Chennai. Done. Okay, you're from your birth is from Chennai. Okay, you came to Hyderabad for your friends. To
Yeah.
meet up.
Hmm.
No. So okay, brother. So if I ask you that, what is the favorite tourism place? If I go to the Bangalore, I must and should visit.
You can go to Lal Bagh, Kabban Park, then our, what is that, Vidhan Sauda
Okay.
and Banagata National Park,
Okay.
and lot of places are there for going.
Do you
out.
ever visited that park?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So if I plan for a trip, what would be the trip budget?
Trip budget, it depends on your capacity, no?
It depends upon my enjoyment.
Yes. You can go in Taj also, or you can go for a smaller hotels also,
Yeah.
where you get good accommodation,
Yeah.
food, and other facilities.
No. Done. Okay. So do you know the CM of Telangana? Do you have any idea?
I don't.
You don't know. No. Okay.
I am not very much interested in politics.
Okay. So what's your occupation, sir? What do you do?
I'm a retired person.
You are a retired person.
Yes.
In what you are a retired person?
I was with a travel agency of my friend.
Okay.
We were into car rental business.
Done. So when you are working, what's your average salary income? What's your average income per month?
Maybe about 25 to 30,000.
25 to
30,000.
30,000. Done. See, if I say you that for a bachelor, is 10k to 15k is enough in staying in
Yes.
Hyderabad?
Anywhere it is okay.
It's okay.
Okay.
Ah,
Bachelor means maximum 15,000.
okay.
15,000, in that you have to save also.
Done.
Because you are a bachelor, you have to go a long way in the life.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe at least 2,000 or 2,500 per month you have to necessarily save.
Yes.
It will help you in the long term.
Okay. Done. See, as per your experience, so what do you mean by life?
Life means everything is there. We were born.
Yeah.
Okay. Our stages of life is there. We are a baby, then a child, then a boy, then a man.
Yeah.
After that, the man, you know, you have lot of, after 20 years, you become a man, young man.
Yeah.
Okay, after that you have your own way of living,
Yeah.
marriages,
Yeah.
then childhood, you become a father, you have more responsibility, you have to take care of everything.
Yeah.
In between, you have the ambitions
Yeah.
for buying house, for buying flat, for buying car. It depends on how you earn the income.
Yeah.
So you should be qualified for that.
Done.
Okay, simply any person can earn a money.
Yes.
Okay, if you are qualified well enough, you can get a good job, good salary, you can have a good life.
Done.
It doesn't mean that everybody will do like that.
Yeah.
Maybe I am like this, another person may be getting 50k a month, maybe the other person will be getting 10k a month, 15k
So
a
exactly
month.
that was my doubt. See, if I ask you that either it's good to have a government job or a business.
I feel business will be good, but
Yeah.
business you should be more cautious. Okay, you are investing money, you cannot lose that money.
Yeah.
When you invest the money, you should aim for getting more money. That is the main condition for the business.
Yeah.
If you put 1 rupee, you should get 10 rupees. You get 10 rupees, you should get 100 rupees.
Yeah.
you are losing that money, you are not a good businessman.
Exactly.
You will land into loss and problems.
Yes. Yes. So you think that business is good compared to
Business
job?
is good. See, government means okay, you have a retirement benefit, all that is there
Yeah.
after 58 years.
Yeah.
But in business, it doesn't have.
Yes.
As long as you can work, you can work. And
Yeah.
you can earn, you must earn.
Yes. Exactly.
Government means after 58 years, you get your provident fund, gratuity, all that. Okay. Business means it's flowing money.
Yeah.
All the 24 hours, you should concentrate, you should develop the business, all that. If you do that, then you can get more money.
Then sir. See, what's your suggestion to the youth who wanna neglect their studies and come into the business startups?
Even a small business, you can start with 1 rupee and grow the business in crores also.
exactly.
Today there is lot of scope
Yeah.
and there are lot of developments also.
Yeah. Exactly.
Everything has got a solution. It depends on how you go through.
So as per the passion, as per the society, which business is suitable?
That depends on your own ideas.
Yes, sir.
See.
One or two examples from your side.
I don't think so. Any business I can refer to.
Okay.
Okay, you have to invest first.
So what do you say about
For
the food
example,
industry?
I tell you, this Rapido and other people, they are doing two-wheeler pickup drops,
Exactly.
right?
Yeah.
They buy a two-wheeler, they do pickup drops.
Yeah.
At least if you do 5 to 10 pickup drops, you will get minimum 1,000 rupees per day.
Exactly.
So 30 days, it is 30,000 rupees.
Yeah.
30,000 rupees is a very fabulous amount which you can lead.
Yeah.
But the pressure and tension, all that will be there always in life.
Exactly.
It is not so easy that I come and took a Rapido, come and I will drop you, give the money.
Yeah.
You have to know the route.
So it's
You have
little
to know
bit
the...
risky. Yeah.
Everything in life, it has got its own path of living.
Done.
It is not so easy.
Okay.
Having come from Bangalore, I don't know about Hyderabad. Today we have everything. Mobile is there.
Yeah. You can check it.
Mobile is there. You can do everything in mobile.
Yeah.
All good and all bad also. But since the mobile is there, okay, technology has developed. We know where to go, what to do, where to buy, whom to meet, where is the hospital, where is the bus stand, where is the metro, where is the railway station. Everything you will come to know.
But most of the people, most of the youth nowadays were not going to the positive way. They were always going to the negative way. So what's your comments?
That is the bad attitude.
Okay.
It's a bad attitude.
Done.
Okay, you have come here, you are making an interview. Okay, it is bound to, you are bound to do this. Similarly, you cannot neglect people and go.
Yeah.
You will have your own superiors also. They will be asking you, what did you do at Amirpet? There are crores of people passing through.
Yeah.
Why don't you take some interviews? If you are silent, nothing will happen.
Exactly. So if you try, we can have something. If you try your like the way you treat, the way
See,
you follow.
your attitude must be good.
Okay.
Your ambition is there.
Done.
Today you are standing here and asking me for an interview.
Yeah.
I don't know what will happen tomorrow to you or to me.
Yeah. Exactly.
Maybe you can fly. Maybe you can fly.
Yeah.
Maybe you will grow up.
Yeah.
Supposing in this you are doing 30,000 rupees per month. If you have more scope, you may get 50,000. You may jump over.
Depend on my skills.
Yes, depend upon your skills
Yeah.
and experience.
Yeah.
Today you are into media. Maybe you may go further also in the media development.
Yeah.
Right?
Right.